आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो हेलो वोटर, हर वोट है जरूरी।
इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के ए वेब सेंटर ने की 26 नवंबर 2021 को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय वेबिनार की मेजबानी और इस एक दिवसीय वेबिनार का मुद्दा रहा
चुनावों में महिलाओं, PWDs यानी कि पर्सन्स विद डिसेबिलिटीज और सीनियर सिटीजन मतदाताओं की भागीदारी को बढ़ाने के लिए बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस और नए इनिशिएटिव्स को साझा करना।
भारत निर्वाचन आयोग 3 सितंबर 2019 से 3 साल की अवधि के लिए ए वेब का अध्यक्ष रहा है। ए वेब की अध्यक्षता के 2 साल पूरे होने पर भारत के निर्वाचन आयोग ने इस वेबिनार का आयोजन किया। ए वेब के वर्तमान अध्यक्ष के रूप में भारत के मुख्य निर्वाचन आयुक्त श्री सुशील चंद्रा जी ने अपने मुख्य भाषण के दौरान कहा,
In democracy, every vote counts, every vote matters. Inclusion is the soul of democratic elections. Enhancing participation of all sections of voters, especially vulnerable ones, is the key to free, fair and transparent accessible elections. Women, PWDs, senior citizens do face barriers in exercise of their franchise. It is we, the EMBs, will have to develop strategies to remove such barriers and enhance their participation. In India, women got the right to vote the year our country was born. In the first general election in this country, ECI undertook several special measures to facilitate women voters. It is a remarkable distance that we have covered since then. Today, 7 decades and 17 general elections since independence, women's participation in India has exceeded that of men and stood at more than 67% in 2019 general elections. This was the first general election in which the participation of women was more than the men. Gender gap in every country is a matter of concern in voter turnout, which is a crucial parameter, which was minus 16.71% in 1962, was not only closed but reversed to plus 0.17% in 2019. India has witnessed 235.72% increase in female voters since 1971 election. But this did not happen overnight. A lot of work had to be done. And how these women were put into the electoral rolls and how were they motivated to cast their vote was a big challenge. There are only 2 crucial points. First, that all women should be registered. And second, that they should be able to vote freely. ECI undertakes a house-to-house visit of booth-level officers who ensures that all eligible citizens get their names on the electoral roll.
आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो हेलो वोटर, हर वोट है जरूरी।